Council is undertaking more than $10 million in road sealing works throughout the region after securing state and federal government grant funding. Council received $5.2 million through round 1 of the Fixing Local Roads program, and in April secured a further $4.8 million through round 2 of the program to undertake sealing of collector road bus routes throughout the region. Collector roads are roads that carry higher volumes of traffic collected from minor and main local roads. From the 1st of July, development applications must be lodged online via the New South Wales Planning Portal and not directly with Council. Through this transition period, to make lodgement as easy as possible, Council has a dedicated planning kiosk at the Mudgee Customer Service Centre where customers can lodge an application with the assistance of staff. Among the benefits of the portal, applications can be lodged anywhere 24/7 and there's no need to visit Council offices. More information at your say. Next month, Council will be sharing tips on how our community can limit their single-use plastic consumption as part of the Global Plastic Free July initiative. If you're just starting out, focus on the top 4 single-use plastics: takeaway coffee cups, plastic shopping bags, plastic straws and water bottles. Council contractors will be undertaking scheduled maintenance on the region's sewer network in Mudgee, Gulgong, Rylstone and Candos this month. Works involve repairing and rehabilitating sewer pipes. Households in affected streets will receive a notification in the mail, and where there is a requirement to enter backyards, contractors will be door knocking. There may be minor impacts to on-street parking as part of the works. There is no planned interruption to water and sewer services. Serrated tussock is regarded as one of the worst grass weeds within the Midwestern region due to its quick spreading ability and zero grazing value to stock. Infestations result in a significant loss in production, and dense infestations can completely dominate pasture. Council has a number of helpful fact sheets on this and other priority weeds available on its website.